Hi, I'm Ryan Harms, here with ID Watchdog's investor community. Today we have Patrick Murphy from Murphy Analytics. Patrick, thank you for coming.
Good to be here, Ryan. Thank you.
So I read through your research report, and there's a lot of interesting information in there. I think top of mind for a lot of shareholders would probably be the $1.40 share price that you set. How did you arrive at that number?
The $1.40 target is based on approximately 300,000 subscribers and the earnings that potentially would follow from that subscriber count. The last reported subscriber count was 40,000, but in 2008, the company did successfully acquire 260,000 subscribers. Now, they were not able to retain that many, but there's a new operating and marketing strategy that seems to be proving that the new approach is better for retaining customers.
So from your perspective, and in regards to gaining new customers and keeping the customers that they have, what is it about ID Watchdog's product that actually makes it differentiates it from its competitors?
I think the key distinction for ID Watchdog is how comprehensive the monitoring is. There are competing solutions that monitor financial records, but ID Watchdog monitors a whole range of potential sources of ID theft, including medical records, motor vehicle, and just lots of other potential sources of both theft and fraud that are not monitored by the credit bureaus and many of the competing solutions.
Great, and of course, behind every interesting company and good product, there's a great management team behind it. You wrote quite a bit about the management team in your research report. So I was wondering if you could give me just your thoughts and your perspective on leadership and what shareholders should be looking out for.
The ID Watchdog business model requires a broad range of experience, and I think this management team fits that experience well. There's experience in payment processing, in credit, entrepreneurs, information technology, and I think really all of the key ingredients that are required to move this business model forward.
And from what you know, how does ID Watchdog gain market share? What are its sales channels? How does it generate revenues?
Well, the market opportunity is already large, and it's growing rapidly. ID theft is growing at something like 20% annually, and affects tens of millions and potentially tens of millions more. So I think the market opportunity is enormous. I think that the key for ID Watchdog is just to execute their business model. Once consumers understand that the monitoring provided by the major credit bureaus is really just financial monitoring, and that there's a whole range of other potential threats, I think a service like ID Watchdog will become attractive to an increasing amount of consumers.
Well, that's all. Thank you very much, Patrick, and I hope to talk to you again.
Good to be here. Thank you, Ryan.
Bye-bye.